Hi guys, tonight I'm gonna show you a video of a review on the Smart Dude doorbell. It has 36 different sounds. I didn't play all the sounds, but there's a lot of them, and I'll be back in a few minutes. And here it is. On this side is volume control. Okay, and this side you can select your different tunes. And there are 36 of these different tunes. And I would like to mention I received this as a gift. Bring back the Titanic, people. And then there are several different ones. There's your regular doorbell as well. And they have Christmas ones. Under the Sea, Little Mermaid, people. Okay, we'll just say we'll leave it right there. And this little remote here is what you use. You put on the outside of your home. You push that button, and ta-da! You have a doorbell. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye!